To really understand why that debate is so intense today, you have to look back. I mean, the history of the good death it's traumatic, and it really explains why these modern bioethics systems are so rigid.
It's an almost complete inversion of the concept over time. You go back to the Roman era, and suicide by someone who's terminally ill was generally accepted.
Even encouraged in some circles,
And in
right?
some philosophical schools, absolutely.
Yep.
Especially when there was no real medical care to speak of. It was seen as a final, rational act of self-control.
But that cultural acceptance just hits a wall with the rise of the church.
A very hard wall. Starting with theologians like St. Augustine, suicide becomes condemned as this abominable and detestable act, a rejection of God's will.
And the consequences weren't just spiritual.
Oh, not at all. They were brutally material. We're talking about excommunication, being thrown out of your city, being denied a Christian burial, and crucially, the complete confiscation of all your property.